factory reset is useful for troubleshooting connectivity issues, preparing the device for a new owner, or restoring it to original settings. Let's walk through the step-by-step process. Step 1. Carefully detach the Nest Hello doorbell from its mounting bracket. This gives you access to the back of the device where the reset button is located. Step 2. Locate the reset button on the back of the Nest Hello. You'll need a paperclip or similar small tool to access this button, as it's recessed for safety. Step 3. With the device powered on, press and hold the reset button for approximately 10 seconds. Make sure the doorbell has power during this process. Step 4. Watch for confirmation signals. You should see a pulsing blue light ring around the doorbell and hear a chime or beep sound. These indicate the factory reset process has begun successfully. Once the factory reset is complete, you'll need to reattach the doorbell to its mount and reconfigure it using the Nest or Google Home app. This includes connecting to Wi-Fi and setting up your preferences. After completing the factory reset, your Nest Hello needs to be re-added to your Google Home app for full functionality. This process restores all your device settings and preferences. For optimal performance, ensure your Wi-Fi connection is stable with at least 2 megabits per second upload speed. Poor connectivity is the most common cause of doorbell issues. A Nest Aware subscription unlocks advanced features like event history, facial recognition, and intelligent alerts. Choose between the standard plan for 30 days of history or the Plus plan for extended storage. If your doorbell chime isn't working after setup, check the electronic chime settings in your Nest app. Also ensure the doorbell isn't in quiet time mode, which silences notifications. For persistent connectivity problems, try removing the Nest Hello from the original Nest app and re-adding it through Google Home instead. This often resolves stubborn connection issues. Google provides at least 5 years of automatic security updates for all Nest devices, ensuring your doorbell stays protected with the latest security patches and improvements.